Welcome back to your favorite celebrity news destination. Today, we bring you an elegant and eye catching update from one of the most admired couples in the Turkish entertainment world. Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş, the couple recently attending a close friends engagement party, and their appearance has become the talk of the town, from the stylish outfits to the chemistry on display. Fans could not get enough of them. Let's take you through the glamorous evening, what they wore, how they interact, and how the fans reacted. On Saturday evening, Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş were invited to a private engagement ceremony held in a beautiful villa garden setting on the outskirts of Istanbul. The guest list included several celebrities and close friends from the industry, but it was Yağmur and Barış who truly stole the spotlight. As they arrived, all eyes were instantly on them. Yağmur looked radiant in a light winter gown and with the delicate silver detailing. Her hair was stylish and stopped in soft waves, and her makeup was fresh and glowing. Barış, on the other hand, looked dashing in the well-fitted navy blue suit, paired with a crisp white shirt. Simple, classic, and very handsome. They posed together at the entrance of the venue, and several fans pages later posted clips of them smiling and holding hands, clearly very much in love. The couple kept things low-key during the event, but they was spotted chatting with friends, laughing, and even taking pictures with the newly engaged couple. The engagement party also saw the stars in attendance, but Barış and Yağmur definitely dominated the evening in terms of attention and admiration. What's even more beautiful is that despite all the love and spotlight, they remained humble, grounded, and focused on celebrating their friend's special day. Later that night, Yağmur posted a photo of a candlelit corner of the venue with the caption "Celebrating Love, Surrounded by Love." Though she did not mention Barış directly, fans knew what she meant. Barış also shared a simple photo of the couple's shoes side by side on his Instagram story with the heart emoji. It was subtle, sweet, and enough to send fans into a frenzy of excitement. Whether it's casual hangouts, romantic gesture, or a classy public appearance, Yağmur and Barış are giving fans every reason to believe in true love. What do you think of Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş's stunning appearance at the engagement party? Do you think they are the next couple to tie the knot? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more heartfelt stories and updates from your favorite stars.